That was a little ugly. 267. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all there, but a little on the right side. Dropped at least 3, 4. I got 2 in the circle. That's a pretty good time. It just, if they were shifted a little bit to the left, it would have been better. 149 draw. I still shot about a 22 to 24 split, so that's actually better than 5 shots in a second, even at 25 yards. They're not perfect, but they're there. I'm gonna do that one more time. Bye. That was even fast. 250. 142 draw. I was actually even faster than the splits. I shot 19 to 20. So really, I'm not shooting very much slower back here. I'm a 19 to a 22 split. Even at 25 yards, 6 shots in a second. Biggest difference is the draw.